the sacred bond, our debt to animals and nature. Since the dawn of time, animals have walked beside us, not as possessions, but as guides, protectors, and kindred spirits. They carried us, fed us, guarded our homes, and comforted our souls. And yet, have we forgotten the depth of this bond? There is an ancient wisdom in the eyes of an animal, one that speaks of trust, loyalty, and unconditional love. Science now proves what the ancients always knew. Animals heal us. They sense our pain, our joy, our fears. But have we honored them in return? For every loyal companion, there is another abandoned. For every free wild creature, there are 1,000 caged. We have taken more than we have given. We have tamed, used, and discarded. But the earth remembers. The balance must be restored. To heal this world, we must start small, with a single act of kindness, a moment of reverence, a choice to protect rather than exploit. We are not separate from nature. We are not above the animal kingdom. We are a part of it, a single thread in the great web of life. The animals have not forgotten the bond, have you? Honor them, protect them, walk gently upon this earth and it will embrace you in return. Respect all life, heal the connection, the earth is watching.